Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stew soup, step by step. First, prepare your meat by cutting it into 1-inch to 2-inch cubes. Pat the meat very dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a good sear. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of oil. Sear the meat in batches until it is beautifully browned on all sides, then remove it and set it aside. This step builds a rich flavor foundation for your stew. Now let's build the flavor base for our stew. In the same pot, add your chopped aromatics like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until fragrant. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Finally, return your seared meat to the pot. Next, we'll get our stew simmering. Pour in 4 cups of rich beef broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Add 1 bay leaf and a half teaspoon of dried thyme for aromatic depth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for 1 hour. After this initial hour, stir in 2 cups of cubed potatoes and 1 cup of frozen peas, ensuring they are submerged. For our final steps, continue simmering the stew for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. If you prefer a thicker stew, create a slurry by whisking 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Stir this mixture into the simmering stew and cook for a few more minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade stew soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.